Hello educators, in this video I'll be showing you how to make use of our lesson planner on AiTeacha platform. Lesson plan is a detailed guide a teacher uses to teach a class effectively. It explains what the teacher wants the students to learn, how the lesson will be taught, the activities they will do, and how learning will be checked. So I'm going to log in into AiTeacha platform. Once you've created an account, you can log in into the platform. You click login. Then you click on AiTeacha, AI tools. So you click on the lesson planner. So we have two structure type. We have standard and we have the tabular form. So first of all, I'm going to go with the structure, the standard type. Let me use the autofill form. If you want to upload a file, you can also do that for AiTeacha to be able to generate your lesson plan for you based on what you've uploaded. Then you click submit. The AI teacher is refining the output, crafting a clear response for us. Our lesson plan is ready. This only takes few minutes, which makes your work to be more faster, smarter, and easier. If you want to save it as PDF or as Word, you click on export, you download it as PDF, download it as Word. You can also save it to history for you to be able to get back to it anytime you log in into your teacher platform. You can also edit with Zyra. Here, you click here, you edit it to your own satisfaction. So we are going to make use of the tabular form also for people that do use tabular form for their lesson planner. I'll click go back. You can also click save and go back. But once you've saved it, use the history. Once you've saved it to the history, and you click don't save, you will still need your lesson planner, your lesson plan rather. So we are going to make use of the tabular form now. Within few minutes, AI teacher will generate a lesson plan for us. This is the tabular form. So instead of you spending hours to generate your lesson plan, to get your lesson plan, with AI teacher platform, you can generate your lesson plan within few minutes. It ease your stress and make your work to be more smarter and effective. So don't forget to sign up on AI teacher platform and explore our lesson planner. Thank you.